So today we've got this stuff going on right here, like changing out some parts and pieces to make our AC controls work inside of the truck. I'd love to just use this one, but like it has this arm, I don't know if that'll show on camera, but like that arm is broken off, and it's the very first one that has to go on. Everything goes on top of it, and all this stuff is die cast craziness. So I've got this one, and all the arms are good on it. Everything seems to work like it should, but here the little vacuum switch is different. I have a 1, 2, 3, and on this there's just 1, 2. So this should be 1972. This is 1971. We're gonna take 2 and we're gonna make 1 here out of it. These little cables, I've got these fun little spring washers on them that like hold everything together. Takes a combination of some needle nose, a little screwdriver, pry them off. Hopefully we don't break too many of them because I don't have any extras. Just crazy the little stuff that they change between year to year on these trucks. But at any rate, we're gonna get it done here. Ta-da! Well, all right. Kind of a weird position here, but things are going together slowly. I've got the old Manuel out, new connector here, and old messed up harness. So you can kind of guess the next thing that's going to happen is some electrical work, probably get the soldering iron out and some shrink tubing and cut and splice this new connector in so I can plug in my controls. But I did get all the cables hooked up, and you can see back inside here all the ductwork is run. It's brand new, so just have got to go back through and ID a couple of wires. Once that's done, I'll be able to get the dash back in. I've been struggling to get all the electricals to come up and come back alive, so just have a few more things to check, and we'll put it together again and see if it works. If it doesn't, we'll take it back apart. It's pretty simple stuff. It's just very tedious inside of here trying to get the cables hooked up and everything on this old system. Alright guys, so we're gonna end today's video here. Got the AC controls switched over with the one out of our parts truck. Got them configured with the cables. Got the cables run through the firewall and then run to the systems I need to inside. Put the defroster hose in and the air conditioner vent in that hose for the left hand side of the truck. Got my gauges put back in here, and things seem to work. Most of the electrical is getting wrapped up here. You saw we soldered the new wires on the connector for here. So our switch now, when I turn the key on, you can hear this thing running back here. And it is actually blowing air out of it, so that's cool. Yeah, next thing is this. Okay, nothing on the dash. If I go outside, it lights up the front lights. So still have electrical stuff that needs to be handled. We're getting there though. So next video we'll be taking care of adding lubricant to the rear end. Put some 90 weight in there, seal up the rear cover for it, and get this thing where it can go down the road finally. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Thanks. Catch you all on the next one.